I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're on an administrator account and creating a restore point. This protects you if updates misbehave. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and press Enter to get straight to hardware management. Make sure to expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section so you can see your audio device names. You're now positioned to select the correct device. Do not guess. Confirm the device model before continuing to driver actions. You'll now update the driver manually for control and compatibility. Right-click the audio device, choose Update Driver, then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Once there, pick Let Me Pick from a list so you can force a specific driver version or load an OEM. Inf file. If you downloaded an installer, exe from the manufacturer, run it as admin, otherwise point to the folder with the inf. This avoids auto-match generic drivers and preserves vendor features. Finish by restarting the PC to let the new driver initialize and then test audio with different apps and the Playback Devices panel. If sound fails, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter from Settings Right Arrow Update and Security Right Arrow Troubleshoot to capture common fixes. If problems persist, open Device Manager, choose the device, and select Roll Back Driver or revert to the restore point you made. This gives you a quick, safe way to undo changes and regain a working audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.